Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Application in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are discussing the subject is data analytic using or programming. We already discussed the unit 1 and the unit 2. Now we are going to discuss for 3, 4 and 5 unit. Advanced or Programming, a comprehensive course guide for mastering the data structure, object-oriented programming, and statistical computing in R. List fundamentals in R. Accessing the component, applying the functions. Accessing component contains the index-based access, name-based access, multiple elements. Applying functions. It contains the three important loops: L apply, S apply, and M apply. L apply is nothing but of returns a list. S apply is a simplifies to vector. M apply is a multivariated applications. Data frame mastery, creating a data frame, accessing the element, matrix operation. It is the three important data frame in our programming languages. First we are going to discuss the creating data frames. It is nothing but of the built data frames using the data dot frame function, or convert from matrices with as dot data dot frame, combine the existing structure efficiently. Next, second point is the access element. Use bracket notations. Within the bracket notation, we contain the rows and columns. Dollar signs for column, df dollar column, or a subset function for flexible data extractions. Third one is a matrix operations. Apply the matrix like operations, including the transposition element wise or arithmetic and linear algebra functions of data frame structure. Understanding the factors and the levels. Factors are always handling the categorical data, storing both the value and their possible levels efficiently. Statistical modeling. First one is creating factor, second one is a common function, third one is a factor applications. Creating factor, convert the factor to factor using the factor or as a factor function, defining the level explicitly for ordered categories. Common functions, manipulate the factors with levels, n level function or level function, as well as drop levels for data preparation. Factor applications, use the factor in statistical model, grouping the operation and creating the categorical visualization effectively. Working with the tables in R. Table operation, table provide the cross tabulations and frequency counting for categorical data analysis. Creating the tables, extracting the subtable, finding the largest cell. Matrix operations, creating table, use table function for frequency count. Extracting subtable, subset with bracket notation or logical condition, finding the largest cell. Apply with which dot maximum function or storing the operation. Matrix operation, transform sum across the dimension. Apply functions. Mathematical functions in our calculus operation, cumulative function, and extreme deductions. In this calculation operation, compute the derivations with d function and integral with integrate function for symbolic and numerical analysis. Cumulative functions, calculate the running total with cumulative sum and products with cumulative productions for time series analysis. Extreme deduction, find minima and maxima using minimum function, maximum function, which minimum and which maximum functions. Statistical distribution, it contains the four important points: probability calculation, random generation, quantile function, and density function. Probability calculations is nothing but of compute the probabilities using p prefix functions. For cumulative distribution function, random generations, generate the random sample with or prefix function. For simulations and Monod-Carlo methods. Quantile function, calculate the quantile using q prefix function for confidence interval construction. Density function, evaluate the probability density with d prefix function, d norm function for likelihood calculations. Object oriented programming, S3 classes, S4 classes. In this S3 classes contain informal class system with a generic function, create with class assignment, define method with naming convention, flexible inheritance through the vectors. S4 classes contain the formal class definition with a set class and a strict slot-based structure, generic functions via the set generic method, implementations with set method. Visualization and simulations. In this visualization and simulation have three important points: data visualization, Monte Carlo simulation, code profiling. Data visualization create compiling the graphic using base or plotting ggplot2 for layered grammar or graphics, and interactive visualization with Plotly and Sine. Monte Carlo simulation built a simulation using the random number generation, apply the statistical distribution and analyze the outcome through the repeated sampling. Code profiling optimize the performance with the system time or proof and profiling tools to identify the bottlenecks and improve the efficiency. Statistical analysis and data manipulations contain the three important real world applications: data manipulation, statistical analysis, reporting result. Thank you.